Hello, everybody. This is Trish from Crazy Engine Treasures, and here's Stitch Markers number 3. Cowgirl, 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 princess with a crown. Nope, no crown. Mermaid, dragon, dragon, seashells. Real stone, real stone, real stone. Real stone in the middle, real stone, real stone. Real stone, real stone, real stone. And shells, starfish. So yes, these are my more stitch markers. That's a mermaid. So yeah, those are my stitch markers. And like I said before, if you see anything you like or you want to order some, please get a hold of me directly through my email, crazyenginehooker@gmail.com, and drop me a line and we'll chat because these are all for sale. Sorry I'm shaking so much. These are all for sale, up for grabs. So drop me a line if you're interested, okay? Thanks.